So finally, nagkaroon tayo ng Realme Pad X dito sa ating channel. And I'm really excited to open itong tablet na ito to see kung ano nga meron dito sa bagong release ni Realme na tablet na probably it's the more premium line sa kanilang tablet series. So samahan niyo ako, buksan muna natin to. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So right now, i-unbox natin ang more premium line ni Realme na tablet. So this is the Realme Pad X, and by the way guys, this comes with a Dolby Atmos na high-res audio. Quad speaker pala siya, ang sabi ni Realme dito. So pag open natin, kita natin ang tablet mismo ang sasalubong sa atin, and we have the color blue variant. And what's nice dito is matte finish ang likod, so definitely walang fingerprint smudges. Other things inside the box: user guide, SIM ejector tool, 33 watts na dart charger, and of course, ang kanyang Type-C cable. So, pasyalin ko muna kayo dito sa tablet na ito. Sa ibabaw, meron siyang power button, dalawang speaker sa ibabaw, and ang kanyang noise cancelling mic. Sa side, ang kanyang SIM tray, and sundutin lang natin. So, kita natin, meron tayong micro SD expansion dito. Sa ilalim, kita natin, there's another 2 loudspeakers, and of course, ang kanyang Type-C charging port. On the other side, Dolby Atmos na logo. There's a magnet clip dito para sa kanyang tablet pen. And of course, ang kanyang volume rocker plus another microphone over here. And we have a 13MP na single cameras dito sa likod. And andito naman nakatago ang kanyang front camera. So quickly, rundown lang natin some quick specs na itong tablet na ito. And this tablet is being equipped with the Snapdragon 695. And alam natin, in the past, 695 is a capable naman na chip for gaming, but medyo may kunting limitation lang siya pagdating sa camera performance. And like I said, capable naman tong chip na ito dahil almost 400,000 points ang kaya niyang i-achieve dito sa Antutu Benchmark 9.4.4. And pag binake na natin itong mga score na makikita natin from this processor. And nakakuha rin siya ng 121,000 points dito sa wildlife, meaning this tablet can also game. Maganda rin ang kanyang score dito sa Geekbench. And checking DRM info, nakakuha naman siya ng level 1 sa kanyang security level dito sa Widevine. So meaning you can watch some HD sa Netflix and some other online streaming apps na madalas yung pinapanood. Probably the only limitation na nakita ko sa kanya is that it only has a 60Hz screen refresh rate. One thing na napansin ko dito is very smooth experience ko dito sa tablet na ito because it's running Realme UI 3.0 inside the Android 12 na system. And may bonus pa nga siya, ang kanyang RAM is 6GB plus 2GB. So meaning extended ng 2GB ang kanyang memory. Ang kanyang storage is 128GB, so more than enough for me. Now, itong tablet na ito is equipped with a video color enhancer, meaning mas maganda ang iyong visual experience when naka-turn on ito. Yung nga lang, it will increase ng consumption ng battery life ninyo. Now, itong tablet na ito is equipped with a 8,340 na milliampere hours sa battery na lithium polymer. And it can fast charge up to 33 watts. And tinan naman natin mag-charge itong tablet from 10% to 100. And natapos tayo in roughly 1 hour and 56 minutes. So, it's quite fast na dahil ang laki na ka ng battery. This tablet also support reverse charging. So, meaning pwede siya maging power bank charging your smartphone. Ang kanyang screen size is 10.95 inch and it's really huge. And it is a IPS LCD with a max brightness of 450 nits. And this tablet can display up to 2K. So, meaning you can watch mga 2K resolution na video dito sa tablet na ito. And I was trying to watch it. And what I like about this tablet is symmetrical ang kanyang bezel. There are some other tablets na manipis ang gilid, makapal ang baba. But this one, saktong-sakto. Symmetrical na symmetrical ang kanyang mga sides. So, giving you that perfect na viewing angle. No? Imagine mo ang iyong TV na hindi pantay ang kanyang bezel, no? So, ang pangit na viewing experience. But this one, dito sa Realme na Pad X, ang ganda. It's really symmetrical. So, giving you a very nice na parang frame dito sa iyong tablet. Now, one of the main things na gagamitin natin dito sa tablet na ito is to probably browse, to research, to use it for online schooling, to use it for typing your documents. Of course, you have to have your extended na keyboard, or probably you can use a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to be able to type in properly dito sa tablet ito. It is really a nice tablet na for work from home na setup. And I'm pretty sure na itong tablet na ito is perfect for Word document, for spreadsheet, and for PowerPoint presentation. Now, many of you probably might be using your tablet for meetings, Zoom meetings, for online schooling, online classes, and I believe that this one is simply just okay, ample enough for those purpose. And this is a sample na resolution na makikita natin when you're using this tablet for online. So guys, ito ang resolution na makikita natin when you're using the Realme Pad X for the online purpose. Mapa online meeting, online conferencing, or online schooling. And I can say na quite decent ang kanyang resolution. It's really nice, and I can say na ample enough siya for your online needs. This is the Realme Pad X. So using the rear camera to take some photos, well, I can say quite decent naman siya. Probably not the best resolution na nakuha natin, but overall, it's decent to take in some quick photos, some documents. Okay siya for its purpose. The front camera is also okay just for taking in some quick selfies. Now, one thing na okay dito is to browse through social media. Alam naman natin, most of the tasks na gagawin ng iyong tablet is to check your Facebook, to check your TikTok, to check your Instagram, and of course, your Twitter. Dahil okay na okay siya for browsing purpose. Ang laki ng kanyang screen size, and it definitely is very enjoyable to use this for social media entertainment purpose. Now, itong tablet na ito, mainly gagamitin naman natin halos for watching videos. YouTube, Netflix, and of course, other online streaming apps like WeTV, iQIYI, and a lot more. And of course, Amazon Prime Videos, and more, and more. And I can see ang resolution dito sa tablet ito is okay. Probably not to the level na katulad ng mga AMOLED display, but it's already okay. It can display up to 2K. I was able to watch some really nice and decent videos dito, like Spider-Man and some other movies dito. And I was able to enjoy it. Lalo ka ng quad speaker is very loud. Ang ganda ng sounds coming out from this tablet. So how about check natin ang kanyang sounds.
More friends is a problem. I've been living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins. Yeah, I'm riding with a gang. Yeah, I hit a hot lick. I'm the top shit.
The sounds is definitely loud, and I love it dahil it's being tuned by Dolby Atmos. Na itong tablet ito, I know na it can really game, and I was able to play the Call of Duty Mobile dito sa tablet ito. I was able to enjoy, though medyo it needs a little bit more of a time to adjust to this tablet dahil most of us are playing on a mobile phone setting. So having a big screen like this is okay. Lalo na kung naglalaro ka ng Call of Duty Mobile, ang ganda ng kanyang viewing angle, especially when you're zooming using the sniper scope. Kitang-kita mo ang kalaban, isang bala ka lang, patay na siya. Now, if you're interested dito sa Realme Pad X, it's currently priced at 14,290. It's a slash off from 16,990. And normally, marami naman sales si Realme sa mga sulit sweldo sale and other sale na upcoming sa succeeding months. So, ano masasabi niyo dito guys sa Realme Pad X? I was really surprised na ang ganda ng kanyang performance. Having this probably the most premium tablet na nilabas ni Realme, I'm enjoying this one, especially my kids using it for online. Okay siya, ample na ample enough for all the online purposes dito. Kaya-kaya ni Realme Pad X. So probably the only thing na gusto ko ma-experience is using the pen and of course the keyboard na of course na hindi kasama dito sa package ko. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo na rin yung bell icon para hindi na ma-miss mga future uploads ko dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick!